It's been years since I've worn a wig.
Where did you get this
So
wig from?
we'll try to do this. We're gonna make it work, okay? Just get my hair net. I'm a pineapple now. I don't have a name for her. Sally. So Sally, yes, you're gonna get your hair cut. Let's brush her out first. Yo, she's been in a suitcase. This brush is really good for extensions and long thick hair, so I think I should do the bangs first, just because then I can see better. Ooh, it's actually very luscious. It's been a long time. It's been a long time since I've worn this wig. Saeyeok from Squid Games has this short wolf cut with see-through bangs. So we're gonna start from, I guess I'll start from the front and then top and then move down, just because I think that'll be much easier. It's gonna be see-through, so I'm just taking a small section. Let's do the top section. I'm gonna go from my eyebrows to the crown of my head. Brush it forward. I'm tying it up here at the front so that when I cut it, it'll turn out longer at the back, but still give a layered texture to this top piece right here. I sectioned it all the way to the crown. Oh, I'm gonna take a section of this and thin it out. About like 3 times is good. And repeat. I actually want this section to be like this short. So let's do like a half around the head section, right on top of the ears. Death by hair. Oh my gosh. I remember why I cut my hair short. It's because of this. This time I'm gonna brush not to the front of my head, but to the very top of my head. This will probably be easier on a mannequin head, but I don't know, it feels different when I'm actually doing it on my own head. I feel like I'll know where things will end up better. I can't even see. Okay, there we go. Let's feather her out. Honestly, it's just to add more choppiness, to hide the choppiness. Okay, it's coming together. Ooh, okay, I see it, I see it, I see it. I see it. Oh, now I'm gonna bring everything else top, but I'm actually gonna cut it from the top of this section. So if I cut it here, it should land. Oh my lord. Oh gosh, what happened? Let's just brush her out for now. Ooh, I think I went too short. Oh no, it's uneven. I remember why I didn't get into wearing wigs, is they were so hard to style. I look like an Ajumma. Guys, I think I failed. This looks so choppy. Honestly, I think it's okay for a wolf cut. I think the bottom layers came out a little shorter than I would have wanted them to. Oh, I know. If I put wax, maybe it'll look okay. Okay, I'm trying everything at this point. Okay, well, let's see it with the makeup. Okay, guys, I think I did it. I think I did it. I think I did it. I think like crimping it also helped with the texture. But this is like kind of how short her hair was during the filming. It's a little longer now. Oh! Just kidding. Let me know in the comments if you have any future video suggestions, or if you watched Squid Game yet, or if you are too cool for trends. It's a look, it's a look. I like it, the dead look, you know? Eye bags aesthetic. I feel like I kind of look more like the Marbles girl though. Hold on. It's a mess, guys. It's a mess. It's a mess. There is hair everywhere. Everywhere there is hair. Bye. See you next time.